going to actually fight this growing power? Because it strikes me, Laurence, as a deeply illiberal attempt to, as I say, circumvent the ballot box and prevent people from getting what they want, whether that be border controls or whether that be Brexit.
Absolutely. The problem with these ideas is they're not popular with your average human being in Britain. So what is used is the law to circumvent them. And you see with Gillian Morm's The Good Law Project and various other, Marina Miller and other people that have done this. What we're going to do is we're going to seek clarification from the judiciary about the legality of various things. And if they're not legal, or we don't see them to be legal, or people don't see them to be legal, we will challenge them. So we've created an uncancelable platform. We've seen what happened to Alison Bailey in terms of her gender critical views, and Crowd Justice removed her funding. So we're working with a company called Democracy 3.0. There is an uncancelable way of supporting people fighting causes that matter to your average Brit. And that's the point of all of this.
Yeah, because actually what you find is in other laudable organisations like the Free Speech Union, for example, Laurence, which I know you're a supporter of, these organisations are actually fighting for the little man, aren't they? That the big anti-democratic so-called liberals are coming for.
Well, the Free Speech Union, which is amazing, and full hats off to Toby Young and everyone involved, is a fantastic thing, but it's a defensive organisation. It defends people against attacks against them. So what the Bad Law Project is, an offensive action coordination. So what we will look to do is find law that was good and is being used badly, and we will look to challenge that to the highest element of where we can go with it. And that's sadly, in an anti-democratic world which we live in, as you quite rightly pointed out, the only way at the moment. When, you know, these small parties and these great and noble coalitions of small parties will not get voted for in the ballot box. So the levers of power need to be taken by the people at this point, because, as you say, never has democracy been under such threat.